to make vegetable pasta at home very easy. Super delicious! Put water in the big pan and turn on the stove. Add 2 spoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of salt and leave it until warm. I'm using organic pasta. I buy from Costco store. You can buy any grocery store. Open the organic pasta packet and put all the pasta into the pan. Leave it until the pasta turns soft and easy to break down the pieces. Happens when you believe in yourself, magic. It's looking great. Like and follow. Like. Yeah, it's ready for next step. Ready. Then use the container with holes for drain the water out from the pasta and put some cold water so that pasta can't stick together. I use some frozen mixed veggies. Bought from Costco store. You can use fresh vegetables if you want, then I turn on the fryer. Cook the frozen veggies for 15 minutes or until cooked. Add vegetable oil in the big pan. Let's heat it up the oil then. Put some dry methi leaves when methi starting to cook, then add roughly chopped onions for more flavor. Wait for onions to turn light brown. Then add some more veggies, cabbage. Leave them for a while to cook the cabbage. For taste, put little bit of Kashmiri mirch. Yum yum. Add salt. Like and follow. Thank you. Leave a comment below. Add some warm spices, garam masala if you didn't want to put spices, it's okay too. When onions turn light brown, add the mixed vegetables and mix together. Pasta sauce. Put the pasta sauce in the separate deep pan and warm. The sauce, I like to warm the sauce before I put the pasta in. After that, put the pasta into the sauce and mix well. Then on veggie side, put fresh chopped cilantro. Mix well. Grab pasta from sauce